Hello everybody, today we make a penne with the hot Italian sausage, baby bella and the plum tomato. For the ingredients we got baby bella, hot Italian sausage, penne, plum tomato, parsley, my oye baby, this is from my garden, shallot, garlic, and we use pecorino cheese. Okay, now we start the chop of the garlic. Okay, now look a nice long hot Italian pepper, but this is really hot. I don't want to use all. Maybe I use half. I want to start the chop really thin, like this. And this, when you eat this, it's so hot. Okay, that's enough. Okay, we put the gas on. I put a little drop of the oil, not too much. You got the sausage. Only it leave it warm up really good the oil. And we gotta start the saute this sausage. I want to make a nice beautiful color on the sausage. After what I gotta do, I gotta take it out and we saute the mushroom after. Now we put the sausage. Okay, we leave it. Look how beautiful this is. This sausage is a spice, Italian hot sausage. Okay, good. Okay, now the sausage are good like this, and now we put the garlic, shallot, and then my oil baby hot pepper, and we saute together. Now this. All right, now we leave it cook a little bit more. The garlic, the shallot, and the hot pepper. And after I want to take it out, and I want to saute the mushroom with baby bella. Okay, now this is done. And I want to put right on this dish over here. All right. And now we put it back on the stove, little oil. And we saute the baby bella. Okay. And now we saute a little bit of the mushroom. Okay. Nice. Okay, look how beautiful this baby bella. It's so tender when you saute this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this chin chin. Salute. Ah, salute a tutto quanto. Chin chin. Okay, now the mushroom is done. And I want to put it together with the sausage. Right over here. And now I want to put a little oil. And I want to saute the plum tomato a little bit. And after we put everything together. Okay, now this plum tomato, what I did, I was boil a little bit to take the skin out and I take the seeds out. Okay, and this it's already almost cooked. I was using boil hot water to take the skin out. Look, already you squeeze this already. Look. Okay, now the water boil. Yeah, I want to put a sea salt. Okay. Okay. And we give a nice turn on the penne, and this now you gotta cook for 10 minutes. At the same time, got the penne, it's in the water. We put it back everything now on the pots over here with the plum tomato, and we got the mushroom and the sausage. And we leave it stay up the same like the pasta for 10 minutes, and this is everything ready. One of the pasta, it's done. Okay, the pasta, we take it out al dente. I wanted to cook for a couple of minutes together with the sausage and with the mushroom and the plum tomato. We turn the gas off and make sure that this is already a little liquid. Cover for the tomato. And we put it right over here, like I said, when you cook it together, it comes more cremosa, cream. After we gotta put a pecorino cheese. Okay, now put it back on my flame over here. We turn on a little bit high. And this you gotta be sauteed together, everything like this. Look how nice it looks. And now we leave it stay a little bit, maybe 1 minute, okay, you see? Everything, the pasta, take everything, the plum tomato, the mushroom, and we leave it cook a little bit more like that. I want to shred the pecorino cheese, look at that. Really good at this. You eat one dish of this, a nice glass of wine. Oh, Chef Pasquale, really good. Give a nice saute together. Oh, it's nice. Okay, this is done. Turn the gas off. And let's bring over here like this. Okay, I want to taste this. This is really delicious. And let's put this over here. Okay, now little parsley on the top. And I like more pecorino cheese. And let's taste. Oh, really hot. And the sausage, really good. I don't want to miss my wine. Salute e cin cin, everybody. A salute. Make this dish, gets really good. Oh, I like it so much. And the mushroom, and the sausage, and the penne, everything delicious. Thank you, and we'll see next time. Thank you.